Tequila soda is a super popular cocktail, but I have been testing for the perfect ratio of tequila to soda water to lime juice. So I hope that you enjoy this 3-ingredient recipe, and I'll even give you a few ways to switch it up to make it your own personalized cocktail. Don't forget to subscribe for even more cocktail and shot recipes coming soon. Tequila soda is a super simple drink that you'll only need 3 ingredients for. Start out by adding some ice to a highball glass. Next, you can choose which tequila you'd like to use. Either a blanco or a reposado will work perfectly for this. Add 2 ounces of the tequila into your glass, and then you'll need 1/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. While I feel like this is the perfect ratio for this recipe, you can always add more lime juice depending on your preference. Finally, we'll add in 4 ounces of chilled soda water. If you want a stronger tasting tequila soda, I'd recommend only using 3 ounces of soda water. The drink will taste stronger until the ice begins to melt. Finally, mix everything together to make sure you get a nice smooth drink, and then you can optionally garnish with a lime wedge. This is a perfect and refreshing mixed drink that you're gonna love. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.